fiwalk is part of the Sleuthkit's collection of digital forensics tools, and it's used to produce a DFXML, or Digital Forensics XML, report on the contents of a disk image. As the name suggests, fiwalk walks the file tree and collects information, or metadata, about each of the files along the way, including the date the file was created, the date it was last modified, the file type, and the user who created the file. fiwalk can be run via the command line or from the BitCurator reporting tool. The instructions in this video detail the process of using fiwalk to generate DFXML output via the BitCurator reporting tool. Open the BitCurator reporting tool by double-clicking on the Forensics Tools folder on the BitCurator desktop, and then double-clicking on the BitCurator reporting tool icon. Once the BitCurator reporting tool finishes opening, select the fiwalk XML tab from the options along the top. Type the location of the disk image you would like to analyze in the image field, or navigate to the image by clicking on the button to the right of the field. In our example, our image file is on the desktop in a folder called Disk Images. We select our EO1 file, or whatever other disk image format we're using, and click Open. Next, type the location and name of the DFXML file you would like to create in the Output XML file field, or click on the button to the right to navigate to the directory in which you would like to create the file. In our example, we'll create it on our desktop. The DFXML file can be named according to whatever naming conventions you are using for your collection, but it should end with an XML extension. In our example, we'll call our file example DFXML, remembering to add that XML extension on the end, and then clicking Save. Next, click Run in the bottom right-hand corner of the BitCurator reporting tool screen, and wait for fiwalk to finish analyzing the disk image. The activity bar in the bottom left will indicate that fiwalk is still running. Once fiwalk has finished, a success or error message will appear in the command line output window. You can see our success message here. You can then close the screen and navigate to the location you specified for the output to verify your XML was correctly created. We created ours on our desktop, and we can indeed see it here. And open it to view the DFXML in a browser. This concludes our screencast tutorial. For other uses of BitCurator, please see the other videos on our wiki at wiki.bitcurator.net. You can also visit the wiki to find written documentation and the latest version of BitCurator. We'd like to invite you to join our Google group, where you can ask questions and get answers about BitCurator use. You can find a link by scrolling to the bottom of our wiki, wiki.bitcurator.net, and clicking on Join Our Google Group. Thanks for watching.